Imagine this. You're running a small business, juggling clients, and trying to stay organized. Your phone is buzzing constantly, and you're missing important calls. Sound familiar? Well, there's a solution, RingCentral. But here's the question. Can you use your regular phone with RingCentral? Let's find out. What is RingCentral? RingCentral is a cloud-based communication platform that offers a suite of features, including VoIP. Voice over Internet Protocol allows you to make and receive calls using the Internet instead of a traditional phone line. Unified Communications. This combines various communication channels like phone, video conferencing, messaging, and more into a single platform. Team Messaging. Collaborate with your team in real time using chat and file sharing features. Can you use your regular phone with RingCentral? The short answer is yes, you can. RingCentral offers a variety of options to connect your regular phone to its platform. Bring your own device, BYOD. This is the most common and flexible option. You can use your personal phone or a business phone that you already own. To connect your phone, you'll need to download the RingCentral app and configure it to use your existing phone number. Desk phone. If you prefer a traditional desk phone, RingCentral offers a range of compatible devices. You can purchase a RingCentral branded desk phone or use a compatible third-party phone. These phones are typically plug-and-play and require minimal setup. Soft phone. A soft phone is a software application that allows you to make and receive calls on your computer. This is a great option if you don't want to carry a separate phone. RingCentral offers a free soft phone app that you can download and use on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. Benefits of using RingCentral with your regular phone. There are several advantages to using RingCentral with your regular phone. Flexibility. You can choose the device that best suits your needs and preferences. Cost-effective. You can avoid the cost of purchasing a new phone or desk phone. Familiar interface. If you're already comfortable using your phone, you'll be able to use RingCentral with minimal training. Additional features. RingCentral offers a wide range of features that can help you improve your communication and productivity. Choosing the right option for you. When deciding whether to use your regular phone with RingCentral, consider the following factors. Your budget. If you're on a tight budget, using your existing phone can be a cost-effective option. Your preferences. Do you prefer a traditional desk phone or a smartphone? Your needs. What features do you need from a communication platform? Additional considerations. Mobile data. If you're using your mobile phone with RingCentral, make sure you have a data plan that can handle your calling and messaging needs. Wi-Fi. For optimal performance, it's recommended to connect your phone to a strong Wi-Fi network. Compatibility. Ensure that your phone is compatible with RingCentral's app and services. In conclusion, you can definitely use your regular phone with RingCentral. The platform offers a variety of options to connect your phone and take advantage of its features. By considering your budget, preferences, and needs, you can choose the best option for your business. Ready to start using RingCentral with your regular phone? Visit the RingCentral website to learn more and sign up for a free trial. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.